It is imperative that we reactivate the systems that power this infernal place.
Central database will help us locate my...
Stand by.
Sooner we rescue Nathan, sooner we can all get off this godforsaken rock.
For fuck's sake, be patient to let us spin out the vertigo. Heads! You lose.
Frankly, I'm not sure which is worse. Being out there with the wretched undead or stuck in here with you, Peck.
Crystal
Yeah,
maturation
well, you
failure.
smell like a
Rebooting
nursing home
process.
bedpan, Strauss. But at least you don't bite it.
Can I remind you crybaby fucks that we're in the eye of a force-10 shitstorm?
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
Part of me hopes Dr. Modi found a hiding place. The look on her face when Carmen and Reaver find her is going to be priceless.
If Ravity Modi was involved here, Richtofen has fewer scruples than I thought, which was already none.
Whatever you think of her, Peck, she's a lot worse. Believe me.
Amp unit energized. Area 1 online.
In my solitude, I dreamt of learning to swim, seeing the Taj Mahal, and crippling Project Jarvis. Obviously, the last one takes priority.
Sorry, Strauss. The helipad may have power, but we ain't going nowhere until I fix the helo.
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
Of all the people who could have broken us out, I have to say, yours was the last fucking face I wanted to see.
And here I thought you'd been counting the days since you last saw me. Rest assured, I'm not doing this to make friends. I need you, you need me. Simple as that.
Crystal maturation failure. Reboot in process.
An amp powers up faster than you can microwave a TV dinner. Next time, defend it till the little bell dings.
Semtex throw!
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
So everything we did to get this under control meant nothing. It's all unraveling again.
Are you surprised? Our former director had 6 years to poke and prod the dark ether. Personally, I have anticipated this for some time.
Quick and painless. Not that I give a shit about it.
Amp unit energized. Area 2 online.
We now have broader access to the systems. Oh, not good. It would seem Modi acquired the inversion warheads.
She what? There's two things you never mess with. A man's toothbrush and his goddamn warheads.
Bonus points.
With so much red tape cut down, I may have become a victim of my own success. We've gone through so many test subjects already. Franco is about to be a very wealthy man, given our humans don't tolerate sectarian explosive.
Double points.
I trust Duffer to determine that soon. The projects with the most progress...
Even after all these years, I can't help but wonder if Ravenov made it out alive. Or if the director got him too.
Our Russian friend is a survivor. I am confident he's still out there, somewhere, being all dark and moody.
Last thing we need around here is a fucking bug infestation. Sunshine's the best disinfectant. So I let some into your skull. Carver owes me a beer when this is over. It really boils my piss knowing this Frankenstein shit show was financed by Uncle Sam.
With proper funding, a motivated scientist will go to any length in the name of research. Not that I have any personal experience with such matters.
Pieces.
Sky's the limit, so you piss me off.
Max ammo.
All right, Peck. What's your play, really? And don't tell me you've changed.
I didn't lie to you. Richtofen stole my life's work. To make him pay, I need your help. Which is nice, because you need mine.
Max armor.
Healing up. Fuck you in particular.
Insta-kill.
Culling is why I wake up in the morning. Don't be surprised. Even the KGB couldn't kill me.
Amp unit activated. Please stand by.
Killing shouldn't be this easy. Not that I'm complaining.
Amp unit energized. Area 3 online.
Full power means full database access. Crap. Someone took the hard drive with the test subject files. Can't we catch a fucking break?
Do not fret. Tenacity and deductive reasoning should lead the team to the hard drive.
Interesting. There's an encrypted file in the database written by Technical Officer Anya Tanovsky. Whoever Minx kept a secret workshop that, quote, can be found if you're so inclined, though most will be refused.
Raptor 1, give me a holler if you need to exfil.
Easy when the target walks like mad after 8 beers. Sorry, but I'm not dying till I get even. I'm gonna smell like blood for days.
Sorry. Extraction opportunity has expired. Headwind's too strong.
Full power.
Sentry turret's live. Fuck you, I've had worse. Just check my service record.